Hey there, and welcome to my channel. This is kind of an unboxing of a cold air intake filter that goes to a 2014 Dodge Challenger shaker. Let's unbox it. I bought this from the Dodge dealership. With tax, it was $82. You can see that's the way it comes. Even comes with a new clamp on it. Probably could have just washed mine out. Probably just wasted $82, but what else is new? I'm always wasting money. Tell you the truth, it has kind of a tint to it that makes it look dirty. There's a piece of fuzz. I don't know, that just don't look like it's clean to me to be brand new, but maybe that's the way they come. I don't really know. I'll leave the part number in the description. But to replace the filter, sorry my voice is gone, but to replace the air filter, cold air intake shaker 2014 Dodge, you just have one screw. I'm trying to make sure this is in the video. Appears to be. Let's see. Okay, this is how you change your cold air intake filter on your 2014 Dodge Challenger shaker. It just has one screw. You just unscrew it. Pretty simple. Car's still hot. So, you take this tube loose. Just kind of twist it. Be hard to get out. Tilt it. And here's the new filter. Feels like it's kind of oily. These are not supposed to be oil filters. So let me loosen this screw. They have it a little too tight. Then you just work it back on there. It's kind of a tight fit. Anyway, you get it down in there. And it takes a little force. Okay. You take the little piece that came out of your old air filter right here, and you want to put this piece into the new filter so it can connect to that airflow tube, whatever it's called. That's what I'm calling it. And then that just slides on really easily. And of course you tighten the screw back that's on the clamp. Snug it pretty good. And that's all there is to it. You can wash these filters out, soap and water, so you don't have to buy them that often. My car's only got 27,000 miles on it, but I thought I would go ahead and change it. It was looking kind of dirty. That's the new one. And hopefully you can see that little tube right there. That is where it came from. You have to take that piece and put it in there. Most people are going to know how to change these air filters because they're so simple. But there's always somebody that's never done a certain thing before, so hopefully this video will help. Sorry, you can't hardly hear me, but my voice is like gone, don't feel good. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe if you will.